Due time, unraveling the mystery. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might come across in movies, series, or literature. It's the phrase, due time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Due time is an idiomatic expression in English. At first glance, it might sound like it's referring to doing something related to time, like setting a clock. However, its actual meaning is quite different. When someone says they had to do time, they're indicating that they spent a period of their life in prison. It's a casual way to refer to serving a prison sentence. For example, he did time for stealing a car. I heard she's doing time for fraud. It's not entirely clear where the phrase originated, but it's been a part of English slang since at least the early 20th century. The verb, do, has been used in various colloquial expressions to mean serve or undergo, like do military service or do a tour of duty. Over time, due time became a common way to indirectly refer to being in prison without directly stating it. Now that you know the meaning of due time, it's important to know how to use it properly. Here are some examples. 1. After getting caught, he had to do time for his crimes. 2. She's out now, but she used to do time in a federal prison. 3. If you break the law and get caught, you might end up doing time. Remember, this phrase is informal. It's not something you'd typically find in a formal report or legal document. Instead, it's more common in casual conversations or storytelling. So there you have it. The phrase, due time, has nothing to do with clocks or setting alarms. Instead, it's a slang way of saying someone served a prison sentence. It's these little nuances in language that make English both challenging and fascinating. We hope this video has shed some light on this expression for you. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next video.